Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Irfan and as usual I'm here with another Math Olympiad question for you to solve. So you can pause the video and go ahead and give it a shot and see whether you can get the correct answer. Alright, we have a rectangle which is split into 11 smaller rectangles. As you can see, all 11 small rectangles are similar to the initial rectangle, the big one right here. So the smallest rectangles are aligned like the original rectangle. The lower side of the smallest rectangle have length 1. And how big is the perimeter of the big rectangle? So I'm going to have to use the property of similarities here. So I'm just going to call this guy to be x. And if this is x, so how many of them I got here? 3, 6, and 9. So this has to be 9x, obviously. The length of the width of the bigger triangle. And over here, since this is similar to the bigger triangle, that means my scale factor here would be 9. So let's call the scale factor to be 9. And I'm comparing the small one to the big one, not these medium-sized rectangles. So I'm going to call this y. Therefore, this has to be y as well. So look at the length of the biggest triangle. The length is 2y plus 1, obviously. And then since the length of the smaller triangle is 1 and the scale factor I just found it to be 9, so that means 9 times 1 has to be the length of the biggest triangle. Therefore, that helps me to find the value of y, which is 4. So I got the y. Now it's time to find the x, and then we add up everything to get the perimeter. So let's go ahead and try to find the value of x. So in order to do that, I need to build a relation between the medium-sized rectangle now and the biggest rectangle. All right, so this side is similar to this side, and that means y times the scale factor, let's call t, should be equal to 9x, and 9x, which is the length of the medium-sized rectangle, when you multiply by the scale factor t, you should get this guy, which is 9. Okay, so since I got the value of y earlier, so I'm just going to replace it, and that helps me to find the value of t and x. Since 9x is 40, over here I get 40 squared would be 9, so bring the 4 down, so you get t equals to 3 over 2. So if t, the scale factor between the medium-sized rectangle and the big triangle, is 3 over 2, or 1.5 times bigger, therefore x should be 6 over 9, which is 2 over 3. Now that we have all the values we want, let's go ahead and find the perimeter of the largest rectangle. We have 9 here, 9 there, so 9 plus 9, and 9x is basically 3 times 2, and that would be 6 plus 6, and that means 30, which is the answer, choice D. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment if you got the same answer. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys later.